Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to my vlog. How is your whole day today? Me, I'm gonna wait for them to arrive at 9 o'clock. They gonna arrive 9 o'clock. They're sending message to me. I just wait for them. Before I just want to ask how is your whole day? Happy weekend everyone. I have something to share to you all. Somebody asked me about if what is the very most thing I regret about in my whole life. And I answered that question. I don't have regret in my life. And I don't want to dwell in the negative things. I prefer to stay positive because when you dwell in negative things, your life became miserable. Whatever you do, you cannot feel happy and you cannot feel the joy and peace in your life. You always, all the things in your surrounding, you feel all is negative. I prefer to stay positive, to have joy in our heart, and to have peace in our mind. Anyway, all the people has struggle, problem, trials in life. But for me, all the struggle, trial, problem that I'm facing in my life journey, most of my problem and trial, struggle, they gonna help me to become strong and independent. Some of them I learned something, and most of them is when there is happen that is not good for me and not in my favor, I just think that maybe God has a reason why God is allowing that to happen. Like if the people close to your heart that God removed that in your life, for me, maybe God removed that person in our life because that person is not part of God's plan in our life. That's what I'm for myself, and for those people who trying to pull me down. When I look back, all the people that trying to pull me down, when I see their life now, it's like their life is the same as before, but God is pulling me out now. God will pull me out to raise me up. Whatever they hate do to me negatively, and they will want me to pull me down, they're not succeeded. God is always protecting me, and God is the one who bring me here in UAE. Whatever is the people that has a bad intention to me, they won't succeed because the presence and the protection of God is always with me. And when I first time coming here in UAE, I don't even apply work here. I just only have passport. God used other people to help me to fulfill the plan of God, that God will bring me here in UAE because God has planned for me to bring me here. When I come here, that's the time that I became born again Christian. I am serving in the church, and became close to God, and became a followers and servant of God. And now I want to be part of a church charity. Maybe that's why God bring me here, because God is planning to equip me. Because I learned so much from when I'm still in the Philippines. I'm a Catholic, but I feel something that there is lacking. I'm looking something that I cannot find in that religion. When I became born again, I did not feel any emptiness or there is something lacking in my life. I feel complete. Something is like, because when I was a kid, I feel that I want to serve God, but I don't want to stay in the convent. When I was still young, I'm studying in the school that managed by a nun. The Mother Superior asked me to stay in the convent, and they gonna support my studies until I finish college. But I feel that I don't want to stay in the convent you can serve God, but you need to follow the rules and regulations, something like that. You don't have freedom to choose what do you want to do in your life. You're always, follow the like this, like that, like that. I'm thinking about myself. I want to serve God, but the way that I can, I can still do the things that make me happy, that I have freedom to choose. I have freedom to do what the things make me happy, and outside the convent, not inside. That's all, guys. And I believe that God has a plan for me. That's why God is sending me here. And this last year, starting last year, I have strong feeling that God will send me to the other place. That's why I'm studying nursing assistant, caregiving, and I undergo the 300 hours training, because I want to prepare myself if ever that time comes that God will send me to other place. I'm ready physically, emotionally, and spiritually. That's all, guys. Before I leave, or before I say bye to you, I just want to say have a good night's sleep, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.